Hi there, today we are going to learn the Turkish get up to the hand. So we want to have a mat surface below us, and what we're going to do is come down and lay on our backs. Okay, so what we're going to do is put our right leg out straight. Scooch back a little bit. Okay. So right leg is out straight, and what I want you to think about is creating tension in this leg. So to do that, we want to push our heel to the wall. So if your leg is just rolling there, you don't really have a lot of tension here. But if you push your heel away, suddenly I have tension. I have engagement in my quad, in my hamstring. I can feel my glute engage. So this is what I want you to do with the long leg, okay? With the other leg, I want you to think about pushing your heel into the floor, okay? So I'm pushing here and away with this leg, and I'm pushing down into the floor with this leg, because this is the leg that we are going to be rolling from. So we want to make sure that we can fire up that glute, okay? So by digging the heel in, instantly I can feel my glute fire. So let's just practice a couple things in this position. So just roll your hip. I'm rolling my left hip up, digging my heel in, tension on this side, and I can feel my glute fire right away. So just try that just like 5 times and see, okay? So once you understand this, now let's put this arm up. So left arm up, we have our invisible kettlebell, okay? So we want to lock it down. So we want to create tension again. So I'm creating tension with my fist, okay? So, and I'm pushing my shoulder into the floor, okay? So I have a nice, stable arm all the way from my wrist, my elbow, and my shoulder, okay? This arm is at a 45-degree angle, okay? So now I've got all my pieces for my first phase of the 2 positions of the get up. So that is roll to elbow and then to the hand, okay? So to roll to the elbow, what we want to think about is we want to think about our sternum right here, angling towards the corner of the room. My eyes are up, okay? So now what we want to do is take that roll that we just did, okay? We're locked in, invisible kettlebell, 45-degree angle, tension in this leg. We want to think about breath in, roll to the elbow, okay? So this position, I feel really nice and strong in. I'm not shrugged here. I'm nice and tall, okay? This is the position to be in here. So I feel nice and strong. So down, up, okay? Position 1. Position 2 from here is to the hand. I come to the hand. So from here to here, here to here, here to here, okay? And then back down. So wherever you feel comfortable in the positioning and the exercise that I assign, do what works for you. So the get up is very specific, so we have to break it down into pieces in order to learn it properly, okay? So again, let's break it down one more time. So tension, foot angling that way, heel pushing away. Tension, digging my heel in, locking in, invisible kettlebell. Everything's locked, okay? This arm is like steel, right? This hand, an arm, 45-degree angle, shoulders back, sternum angling to the corner of the room. Breath in, roll to the elbow, to to the hand, to the elbow. Okay, and down. So practice those. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.